In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font sizes in Base44, whether you're designing a page, adjusting a heading, or just making text a bit easier to read. Knowing how to control font size is essential. I'll walk you through the process step by step in a clear and simple way, so you can follow along directly in your Base44 editor. First, open your project in Base44 and make sure you're in the editor view where you can see your page layout. To begin changing the font size, you'll want to select the element that contains the text you want to adjust. This could be a heading, a paragraph, a button label, or any other text-based element. Click directly on that element on your canvas. When it's selected, you should see its outline or selection handles appear, along with the editing options panel, usually on the side or the top of your screen, depending on your layout. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct element by checking that the text you see highlighted is exactly the one you want to modify. Once your element is selected, look for the text styling controls. In Base44, these are usually represented by a T icon, often with an underline or some indicator that it relates to text or typography. This icon is your entry point to all text-related settings such as font family, weight, alignment, and of course size. Click on that T icon to open the text style options. A panel or drop-down will appear, showing different typography controls. Here, locate the section labeled Size or Font Size. This is where you can set how large or small your text appears. Within the size control, you can either type in a specific value or use the provided controls, like arrows or a slider, to increase or decrease the font size. As you adjust the value, keep an eye on your canvas so you can see the change in real time. This helps you find a size that looks balanced with the rest of your design and remains readable on different screens. If you're working with multiple elements, repeat the same process. Select the element, open the text style via the T icon, and then adjust the size setting. For consistency, you might want to use the same sizes for similar elements like all headings or all body text, and that's all there is to it. By selecting your element, opening the text style controls, and adjusting the size setting, you can quickly and confidently change font sizes in Base44.